If you think client trust accounts are safe just because a lawyer controls them, this case is going to prove otherwise. Today's story involves Patrick J. Dolan, a Boston area attorney who federal prosecutors say crossed a line that destroyed client trust and put millions at risk. According to the U.S. Department of Justice, Dolan is a 60-year-old Massachusetts attorney who was charged in 2025 with four federal counts of wire fraud. Prosecutors allege that over a period of time, Dolan controlled escrow and trust accounts that held client funds and then used those funds for his own benefit. The DOJ alleges Dolan misappropriated more than $2 million. Court filings state that the money was allegedly used to pay his personal mortgage, college tuition, credit card obligations, and to make transfers to family members and shell companies. These funds were not his to use and were supposed to remain safeguarded for his clients. Federal prosecutors describe this as a deliberate scheme to defraud. Wire fraud charges indicate the alleged misuse involved electronic transfers or communications tied to interstate systems, which brings this case under federal jurisdiction. The challenge in cases like this is simple but dangerous. Clients often assume trust accounts are untouchable. Law firm owners may also rely on professional status rather than real oversight. There are red flags in nearly every trust account fraud case. One person controlling the trust account, limited or no independent reconciliation, missing documentation for transfers, pressure to move money quickly without review. Prevention starts with structure. Require dual controls on trust accounts. Perform monthly three-way reconciliations. Separate authorization from bookkeeping. Review trust activity regularly, even when you trust the person involved. Patrick J. Dolan is presumed innocent, and this case is ongoing in the U.S. District Court for the District of Massachusetts. The charges serve as a reminder that trust accounting failures can become criminal matters. Subscribe for verified fraud cases to show how trust is broken and how law firms can protect themselves.